Tonight is a moment for us to restore our spirits, but it is also a night of recognition. Congratulations to the 2025 WLC Awards recipients.
We're celebrating an organization that is going beyond any wall.
The World Liberty Congress was born from a daring dream. The dream that those who fight for freedom in isolated corners of the globe could unite as one.
Freedom! Freedom! Freedom!
To cheer this year's winner of World Liberty Congress Human Rights Defender Award, Nedal Al-Salman.
We should all be united because we, human rights defenders, together, we can make the change if we are united.
Our awardee for the Justice Advocate Award coming from Cameroon, Bate.
Although he is not here, it is in recognition of his bravery, his courage, and his resilience.
I'm really honored to present World Liberty Congress Courage Award. Tofiq Yagublu.
In Azerbaijan, Tofiq Yagublu is a symbol of courage, symbol of struggle for democracy and human rights in our country.
This year's recipient comes from Venezuela. The winner of this award is my fellow, David Aragorn.
I want to dedicate this award to those often anonymous freedom fighters.
I'm here to present the award for Outstanding Journalist. This year's winner is from India, Anjan Sundaram.
I can't wait to bring dozens and hundreds of journalists in a global network with the backup and support that they deserve to report on dictators around the world.
The Champion of Democracy is the highest honor granted by the World Liberty Congress. This year's honoree comes from South Sudan, Diing.
Democracy has always advanced when brave people refuse to surrender.